Why is my Disney Plus not working on Chromecast for my phone?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue: Disney Plus not working on Chromecast from your phone. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you're just looking forward to a cozy movie night. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the potential problems and their solutions.
Is your internet connection stable?
The first thing we need to check is your internet connection. An unstable or slow internet connection can cause issues with streaming platforms like Disney Plus. Solution: if you're having connectivity issues, try restarting your router or check if other devices are experiencing the same problem. If everything else works fine, your internet is probably not the issue.
Is your Disney Plus app updated?
Another common issue is that your Disney Plus app is outdated. This can cause compatibility issues with Chromecast. Solution: make sure your Disney Plus app is up to date. Visit your app store, search for Disney Plus, and hit update if there's a newer version available.
Is your Chromecast device updated?
Just like the app, it's crucial to ensure your Chromecast device is updated to the latest version. Outdated firmware can lead to streaming issues. Solution: check for updates on your Chromecast device. You can do this through the Google Home app on your phone.
Are you casting correctly?
Lastly, you might be experiencing issues because of incorrect casting. Ensure you're following the right steps to cast Disney Plus from your phone to your TV. Solution: open the Disney Plus app on your phone, choose what you want to watch, and then tap on the cast icon. Make sure you select the correct Chromecast device from the list that pops up. We hope this guide helps you fix the issue of Disney Plus not working on Chromecast from your phone. Remember, most issues can be solved by ensuring everything is up to date and correctly configured. Enjoy your streaming and happy watching!